Try not to film that horrible garbage.
Yeah. At least the sand isn't hot.
No, it's beautiful. This is a wide beach, man.
Yep.
Crows. Okay. Hey, pretty bird. Black-headed gull. Hey, bud. Everybody's heading to the beach and we're leaving. Actually, wasn't it when we were at Coco and they did that SpaceX rocket, the first one that was with NASA?
Mm-hmm. The one that we saw with
Yeah, wasn't that on July the 4th? Yeah.
I think it was. Because we usually always go on away on this weekend.
Yeah.
Because remember, I usually just take the vacation.
Yep.
Because I just work 3 days this week. Woohoo!
Yeah. 3. Oh, yeah. Really?
Yeah, well, I'm off Friday.
I'm surprised.
And I've never realized that because I've always had the whole week off.
Yeah.
So.
Hello.
Morning.
Morning. Yeah, I never. She was still there.
Yep. I hope somebody will drop it maybe on the way out.
Maybe.
They won't have it.
It's quite the walk, I tell you.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there's a paraglider there. Can you see him?
Mm-hmm.
Parasail, sailing.
Yep.
Yeah, I want to go in the pool to... Morning.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Well, this is cool. I've never even noticed this before.
Yeah.
This path.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty cool, man. I love that. Little jogging. Wow, cool. Okay, I'll turn this off now. Take a quick shower. Get the sand off these shoes. Turn that off.